Wake up, America. This ain't a football game. This ain't a baseball game. Not a basketball game or a hockey game. This is a show of power, of force. So you can be warned. So you can know their might. Wake up, America. Wake up, people. This kind of stuff happens on military bases, not in cities. And this is in downtown Tampa. This is in Tampa, people, just the day before yesterday. Actually, maybe it was yesterday. It's not a national news headline, though. They're not telling the whole world about it. They just told Tampa about it. Make sure that they know when they hear machine guns going off, not to call 911, because it's going to be a special treat for the community to see these men train. And this is special forces units from around the world and a whole bunch of different nations. Basically, the New World Order Special Forces troops. This is real, people. Special ops. Downtown Tampa, Florida. Convention Center. Look at this. The frickin' guns going. This don't happen in American cities, you guys. This doesn't happen. Wake up, America. Wake up. Wake up. You're losing your freedom. And these people cheer and clap like it's a friggin' show. Wake up, America. Wow. You hear the little boy. Awesome. Frickin' wake up, man. Oh, here we got gunfire coming from the streets. Here's an assault coming down the road. Up the street here. Up the street. See him? See him? Freaking A. Wake up, America. Wake up. This ain't Kansas anymore, Toto. This is called circuses and cakes. This is a circus just for you, so you won't worry. But the next time, they won't be carrying blanks. And the next time, they'll be coming after you. They only train in cities like this for one purpose only. They've got to train these American troops, these American special elite forces with other nation elite forces. They've got to train with each other somehow. So they're going to do it here. Wake up, America. Coming down to the wire. It's in your face. It is in your face. It is in my face. And this is not cool, y'all. And I can hear the people saying, oh, that's just so cool. This is so cool. Well, it would be cool. This don't happen on American soil, people. These ain't American troops. Look at them. Wake up, America. Wake up. Look, they got people in there posing for the freaking camera. Wake up, people. Wake up. This is Chatty Dad 1, over and out.